I'm here today at the 417 Power Sports, and we're going to be adjusting an extreme sports athlete. We're going to be adjusting his knee, along with some kinesiotaping and some extremity adjusting and adjusting his neck and back. Okay, we're starting with the knee. We're doing an assessment to find out exactly what part of the knee is damaged, and we're going to be doing a kinesiotaping. That's the black tape that I'm applying. We're going to apply it along the side of his knee to support that, and then a little bit under his kneecap, the patella, to make sure that that is supported while he's riding his motorbike. It'll help him plant his foot and be able to push off a little bit better with more support. We're also looking at the ankle to see exactly what type of restrictions there are so that we can free them to move his foot in more power with push-off. We're also checking out his neck. He was recently involved in a motorsports accident, maybe reduce some tension and some swelling. Ribs are very important because they reduce the air intake that you can take into your lungs if there's a rib out. We've enjoyed talking to you today, and whether you jump cars with motorcycles or you drive a golf ball down the fairway, we can help you out in any way that you need. Please give us a call, Perfect Health Chiropractic, and we'll give you a free consultation.